In order for you to change the guidance mode in Where Winds Meet, you have to start by navigating to the menu. Under the menu, simply select Settings, and then from here, navigate to the Game section. Under Game, you want to scroll down until you find Guidance Mode. And as you can see, mine is currently set to Free Exploration. This means that I'm given limited amounts of information, and it's up to me to find out all the information needed to complete quests and combat. However, if you want to change it to detailed, you can do this so by simply selecting the option and then choosing detailed. And then this gives you clear guidance for the game. If you want to switch back, you can just go ahead and select it and then choose Free Exploration. Once you've made your choice, you can now go back with the changes being applied to your game. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.